Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to show your active status on Facebook. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, click on the menu button down below and then tap on settings at the top. Scroll down to the audience and visibility section and tap on active status. Here you can enable this show when you're active feature by tapping on this button on the right side of the screen, meaning that your friends and connections can see when you're active or recently active on this profile. You can see this information about them too. To change this, you can turn it off by simply clicking on this blue button again, so that they won't be able to see your active status. Click on turn off and it will be disabled. That's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.